Welcome back to Dream Drop Stories. Last time the Avengers froze and saved the planet. Now it's Spider-Man's turn. He's facing a dark force hiding behind a city of light. Will our friendly neighborhood Spider-Man save the day, or will the bad guy's perfect plan trap him forever? Let's find out. Our story starts with a bang. Literally, New York's sky turns bright red at night. Everyone looks up in surprise. Spidey is swinging across Manhattan when suddenly every billboard, taxi and storefront flashes with the same image. A spider, but not his. It's bigger, meaner, and all the colors are wrong. Then they start beeping. Miles underground, a villain named Signalwave activates his new invention, a swarm of buzzing black drones. Each one is smaller than a hummingbird, but together they become one super strong, super fast machine, a perfect machine. Signalwave straps on a neural band connecting him to the swarm. You see, he says to no one in particular, the problem with heroes is they're too unpredictable. But I've built an army of machines that never fail. Back on the streets, the drones attack. People panic and scream. Spider-Man's gone rogue, shouts the news. Peter Parker sees the chaos and shakes his head. No way, I'm letting a bot ruin my name. He races towards the source of the signal. But first, a word from our sponsor. The drones come at Spider-Man from all sides. He dodges, flips and webs up, taking out several with his spider sense and his web shooters. But for every one he hits, two more take its place. Whoa, they're learning from me, he says, surprised. MJ calls him on his communicator. Pete, these things are watching us through every camera. They're setting a trap. She's hanging up just as a drone swoops in to attack. Got you now, Spider-Man. Spidey fights his way through the swarm until he reaches the source, a rooftop lab throbbing with red energy. There's Signalwave in the middle of it all, directing the swarm with the neural band. With one flick of a switch, I can control this city. With another, I can control you. He sends a pulse of energy towards Spider-Man, who dodges and webs up the side of a building. Then Miles swings into view. AIU, he says, joining the fight. Spidey and Miles battle the swarm together. Miles uses his invisibility and electricity bursts to short-circuit the bots, while Spider-Man holds them off. This is awesome, Miles says, dodging a barrage of laser fire. We make a great team, Spidey. The swarm adapts, forming a massive metal spider. Webcore Prime, says Signalwave proudly. The robot lunges at the two Spider-Men. I built perfection, says Signalwave, as Webcore Prime wraps them in a shrinking metal cocoon. Peter struggles against the metal. We need a distraction, he shouts. Miles blasts a hole in the robot. I got an idea, says Peter. He shoots a web at the nearest drone, overloading it. The drone goes into feedback loop, sending out a scrambled message that the other drones can't understand. Let's give them something they can't predict, he says, hard. The feedback message spreads throughout the swarm. Webcore Prime malfunctions, dropping the two Spider-Men in midair. Miles grabs onto a passing taxi. Got it, I'm in. He dives into the swarm and begins disconnecting the bots one by one. Meanwhile, Peter crashes Webcore into the East River. Signalwave screams, I built perfection. It was supposed to be perfect. Spidey surfaces, dripping wet and smiling. Yeah, well, sometimes you need a little imperfection to make things perfect. The red sky slowly fades away as the city lights come back online. Back at the lab, Signalwave collapses. His perfect machine has been defeated by a few simple web shots. As the city celebrates their friendly neighborhood hero, Spider-Man clears his name. But deep in a dark satellite dish miles above the city, one red symbol pulses again. Someone is watching. The end. What's the moral of the story? Being real beats being perfect. Thanks for watching. If you liked this story, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. And if you haven't already, subscribe so you never miss an exciting episode. Until next time, stay awesome.